In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with multi-factor authentication using Xero Verify for added security. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is a crucial step in ensuring your online accounts are protected, as it adds an extra layer of security beyond just a password. So let's dive right in and get you set up. The first thing you're going to do is locate and click on your profile icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. It's usually a small icon that represents your account, showing either a picture or your initials. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to select Account Settings. This will take you to the settings page where all the magic happens. Now that you're in your account settings, look for the option that says Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA. You should see an option to Set Up next to it. Click on that. This is where we'll be configuring the additional layer of security that will protect your account. Next, you'll be prompted to select a method for your multi-factor authentication. Choose Xero Verify from the options provided. Xero Verify is an app specifically designed to work with your Xero account, providing seamless and secure authentication. It ensures that only you can access your account, even if someone else knows your password. Now, it's time to set up Xero Verify on your phone. Follow the instructions carefully as they guide you through downloading the Xero Verify app. This might involve going to your phone's app store, whether that's on iOS or Android, and searching for Xero Verify to download it. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to link it with your Xero account. This typically involves scanning a QR code provided on your computer screen with your phone. Make sure you grant any necessary permissions the app requires for it to run effectively. Once you've successfully linked the app with your account, return to your computer and click Continue. This step is crucial as it finalizes the setup process, confirming everything is in sync. And just like that, you've set up multi-factor authentication using Xero Verify. Congratulations! You've taken a significant step in safeguarding your online information. Remember, by enabling MFA, you've added a crucial layer of protection, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. With Xero Verify, accessing your account is now simple, yet secure, keeping your information in safe hands. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide useful. Keep your account secure, and see you next time.